What's up, guys, man? We're back with a video, man. Again, welcome to my channel, man. If you guys haven't, man, make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. Smash that like button and show your boy some love. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna be giving you guys a walkthrough, man, of my daily my equipment, my setup. What do I do? What do I use? So guys, man, stay tuned for more videos, man. Right now I'm over here at my boy's shop. There's a local detailing shop that I get free spot free water, and you know that just makes the job easier, guys, and that gives you 100% better quality, work. And that's what we all want, man. We want to make sure we give our customers the A1 touch on the cars, man. So yeah, man, I'm gonna show you guys real quick, man. I have a crazy simple setup, man. Very easy to use. Gas is cheap. I fit anywhere. Before I had a big ass cargo van, guys, and I had issues with that cargo van fitting anywhere. Let me look at the water level. Not bad. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys real quick my setup, man, and I hope you guys enjoy it, man. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, and let's get it, man. So first of all, guys, this is a 2006 Toyota Highlander. This was my daily car. I bought it for a daily, and I decided to turn it into my business. This is not my first rodeo. When it comes down to detailing or mobile detailing, I had a cargo van. I sold it. But guys, I'm gonna show you real quick my setup. Nothing crazy. This is the back. I got everything set up. I don't got much space, but it's not bad, guys. I got my music set up. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have my little boom boom. But yeah, I got my blower, my tank, my equipment right here. Some of the big gallons. I got my other stuff on the other side. On this side, I got my pressure washer. I got my rail with a 100-foot hose. I got my generator. I got my little my little seat to wash the wheels. I got my promotion on the side of the truck. Got my 22s. And yeah, right here I got my buckets. I got my towels here. They're in the bag right now. But this is all my spray bottles and all that stuff that I use. Quick in and out. But yeah, guys, the setup is not bad. Easy, fast, and I still could give out 100% service. Got my phone cannon right there. Got my promotion right there as well. So yeah, guys, it's not bad. I love the setup, man. I love the setup. Very comfortable, very easy to move around, and I'm happy with it. This is my money maker. I make good money, but that comes with promotion, guys. Promoting your business, of course. If you don't promote it, guys, you're not gonna do nothing and accomplish nothing. So yeah, guys, I just finished my filling up my tank with spot-free water. I use that water and I recommend it, guys, because listen, when I had my van, before I even knew about the spot-free water, guys, I had a hard time drying the cars and cleaning the cars, guys, because the soap would dry on the car and it would stain the paint. I'm like, yo, what the hell? Like, what's going on? Like, why? Is the product too good? Like, am I mixing it wrong? And no, man. The thing is that we here in Florida, and over here it gets hot. And the cars, when they get hot, listen, you'll burn your hand if you touch it. So, I ended up setting up my business because I was getting frustrated, with everything. But then I learned about the spot-free water, guys. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. It's a game changer, guys. I'm very glad I came across that topic. And guys, the chemicals work A1. I'm getting top quality services, so it's like I can't complain. So I recommend, guys, spot-free water. I know your local stores have the spot-free system. You could go, I believe, Home Depot. Has a setup. I'm not really sure, but I'm planning to open up a shop, guys. So when I open up a shop, I'm going to get the same tanks. They have this like 5 tanks. You're running around like $3 grand. But guys, let me tell you, man, it's business, and when you're in the business, you have to make sure you have nothing but the best and the top. So it's an investment. But guys, I recommend that, man. Spot-free water. If you're a mobile detailer, look that up. Your local shop might have it. If they don't, do a research on it. And let me tell you, you will save a lot of time, and you will have A1 services, and the people will love your work. and you will have no problem driving the cars, none of that. But yeah, guys, once I get to the spot, I'm gonna do a video for you guys. I'm gonna show you the products that I use. I'm not gonna show you the names, the brands that I use, because I'm not sponsored by them. So it's just no point of me giving out free game, you know, and make a sale if I'm not getting paid for it. So once I get to the spot where I'm going, I will give you guys a little tour, a little review of the products that I use. The chemical, because anybody makes those chemicals that I use. It's just some companies that make them, you know, 100%. Some of them mix them with water, so you won't get 100%, you know, of the product. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use, and you can go to any store and look it up, you know. But you gotta make sure that whoever makes the chemical is 100% and not mixed with water. You know, that's where, you know, you get the full benefit of the chemical. If not, you don't get the full benefit, you know. So about to get some food real quick, guys, because I'm starving. So once I get to the spot, man, I'll turn back with you guys, man. Make sure you like the video, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe to the channel, man. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, I just got to my location, man. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I was setting up ready. This truck is dirty, but I'm gonna do like a little video clip for you guys so you guys can see. But first, I'm gonna show you what I got, and then we're gonna go for that, man. Let's get it. So guys, this is the truck right here. It's pretty dirty, real dirty. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I use. So I use this degreaser for the wheels. This is very strong, guys. This will get everything out the wheels quick. With one spray, one wash, and it will come right out. And I usually use iron-on for the paint, for the body, for the exterior. But I'm gonna use the all-purpose cleaner to get all dirt out the car and just wash it off before I do my washing. So stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the video.
If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.